Hi everyone, Mrs. Olson here. So the unit that we are in is sectional conflict intensifies. So sectional referring to the North and the South. A conflict, two sides or more than two sides are not getting along, and intensifies, it just heightens, it gets worse, it doesn't get any better, okay? So the second part is this North versus South 1861 interactive map. The second source of information in this unit, Sectional Conflict Intensifies, is going to help you understand what led to the Civil War. The map shows which states were in support or against slavery, populations of free people and those who were enslaved, and how different parts of the country made money. Okay, so let's click on it together. And waiting. Okay, so if this happens for you, click on it right there, and it will bring up the map for you. All right, so here we go. This is a Scholastic website, and you can see that the title has to do with the Underground Railroad. So if you want to go further into the website, it's actually kind of a neat one. You don't have to do any of the lessons or anything that's in it, but it's kind of interesting just to click on the different parts, read the stories, and then to understand somebody's journey or experience through the Underground Railroad. For this, I would like us to look at the different parts to this website here. So what you see, so let's look at the key right here. So the dark blue are the Union states. This is the North. The lighter blue, they're actually Union states. They're part of the North, but they permitted slavery. Kind of a strange deal if you ask me. And then this grayish color are the Confederate states, all of the states in the South, okay? So that tells you who belongs to what. And if you click on free population, it is again going to give you information, data on which states were free, which ones weren't, and the numbers associated with them. So dark brown, the state of New York, 3 million to almost 4 million people are free in the state of New York. And so you can look at the corresponding colors to see how many are free. Okay, now slave populations. So scroll down so we can see our map key again. Slave populations. So if it's gray, they don't have any slaves, right? Dark red, 400,000 to almost 500,000. You look at Virginia, South Carolina, Georgia, and so on, and you can see the lighter pink colors and how they correspond to which state and how many people were enslaved in those, okay? Now, coming back up here so you can click on major cities and see those, I want to go to this section that shows you manufacturing. So you can see that many of these northern states are making money from manufacturing, from people working in factories, and then also being part of the trades and being able to market and sell those, okay? Opposed to the states that are making money from agriculture, all right? And we have learned that in the South, agriculture, the economy based in agriculture is heavily reliant upon slave labor, okay? And then you can see the different kinds of crops that they grew. So what I want you to do is play around with this website. Click on all the different options that are on the right-hand side here. Make connections with the data, the numbers, and what they mean, and where those numbers are related to as far as the different states. There is not a formal assignment that is connected to this interactive website, okay? I do expect that you will learn from and become familiar with this website. Consider it a source of learning, okay? That will help you to understand how and why the country was divided. All right, guys, go to town looking at all the different pieces to this website.